Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million.
Finally going back together. Old pipes off, thrown away. One of those link pipes still on the A133 somewhere. New ones on. Well, new ones. It's the old ones from that, which don't need it no more. Those bolts were fun, as expected. All back together. Just about to move on to the fun bit. Woo! All the pretty plastics ready to go back on. Look at that colour. Colour everybody voted for. Then we've got all the fresh new carbon fibre pieces. Put the trim around the dash. She's gonna be pretty. Right, let's get to it.
It's been a while since I had your attention, so it might hurt to hit it.
Bike finally back together. Those fairings, quality, pretty amazing. Fitment, fucking terrible. Getting that rear light to fit was a nightmare, bending brackets, pulling things about. Actually not come together too badly. Bike's looking really nice, colour looks beautiful. Seat back on, frame all cleaned up. People was asking about when it crashed, there was a big gouge here. That's been smoothed off, polished up. Bike's looking lovely. Lovely, need to get some block off plates for these mirrors here, so we don't have the mirrors sticking out of it. We're going to try and think of something else instead of that. Got these carbon panels, looking lovely. Beautiful. Can't wait to take it out.